Now, in this video, we're going to answer the following question. The matrix A is a matrix with the elements 1 and 2 on the top row, and 0 and 1 on the bottom row. Find A squared. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, sharing this video, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers arranged in rows and columns, with specific rules for combining and manipulating them. A matrix is often described by its dimensions, which are given as the number of rows by the number of columns, and each item within the matrix is called an element or entry. The question gives us a matrix A and asks us to square that matrix. That means we need to multiply the matrix A by itself. We do that by calculating the dot product of the rows of the first matrix A with the columns of the second matrix A. A 2 by 2 matrix has 2 rows and 2 columns. In this question, we've been given one 2 by 2 matrix and asked to multiply it by itself. And the solution will also be a 2 by 2 matrix. To begin, we're going to calculate the value of the first row, first column of the resultant matrix, using the row by column rule. We do that by multiplying corresponding elements, then adding those values. The first row of A multiplied by the first column of A is 1 multiplied by 1 plus 2 multiplied by 0. Next, we're going to calculate the value of the first row, second column of A squared. The first row of A multiplied by the second column of A is 1 multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by 1. Then we're going to calculate the value of the second row, first column of A squared. The second row of A multiplied by the first column of A is 0 multiplied by 1 plus 1 multiplied by 0. And finally, we're going to calculate the value of the second row, second column of A squared. The second row of A multiplied by the second column of A is 0 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 1. Simplifying the first row of A squared gives us 1 plus 0 and 2 plus 2. And for the second row, 0 plus 0 and 0 plus 1. So the first row of A squared is 1 and 4. And the second row is 0 and 1. So the answer to this question is a 2 by 2 matrix with the values 1 and 4 on the first row and 0 and 1 on the second row. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.